Good morning and welcome back. I'm at the Heritage Antique Center in Adamstown, Pennsylvania, and I've already spotted something in the window. Let's go in and get warm and check it out. Oh my gosh, I love the grouping of old chenille dogs and the bears back there, especially that one on the right. Okay, now this is super cool. Look at this Picasso perfume bottle, $35. I wonder if it has liquid in it. If it doesn't, I feel like that needs to come with me. That is too cool. And that's a fabulous piece of pottery. The beehive. What is that? Nice Bakelite horse brooch. I have that one actually right now. I love this vendor. They have such neat things in the cases. I love this display too. Look at the little chenille girl. I'm obsessed with that pottery head. That one's at $35. And then a really beautiful antique. Looks like Lotes, $95 on it though. All right, I did grab the Picasso perfume bottle. It was made in Germany. It was empty and it didn't stink. It was amazing. I couldn't resist. I love this alligator. Looks like a nutcracker or something. Can't tell. Looking for a price tag on it. That's so fun. All right, I already know it's probably not for sale, but look at this green hand. It is. Oh my gosh, that's so fabulous. 60 on that. That's actually, I'd say, a pretty good price. That's such a great display. Oh, and look at the anthropomorphic apple valentine. So great. Love those. Anthropomorphic valentines is one of my weak spots. That's a really neat pottery pitcher. Mana pottery, Native American pitcher. So great. Oh, I love this case so much. Look at how sweet it is. The little circus bisques. This is so fantastic though. The way it's all curated together. And then over here, the devil pin is obviously my favorite, but that one's at $85. Looks so great together. Oh my gosh, look at her eyes. Some amazing Italian ornaments. The hermit crab is my favorite thing though. That thing's epic. And of course this little, what I believe is probably French. And what is that? Carg, 125. Oh, I thought it said 12. And then this is an amazing Murano, the duck head vase. That one's at 125. I wonder if it's I don't think it's gonna glow. I had like a uranium Murano Donald Duck at the heart, and those go wild, I should say. Speaking of epic, I normally would never even glance at something this big, but I am dying to know how much that fish is. Especially because this vendor usually has crazy good prices. Oh my gosh, it probably weighs 100 pounds. Let's see if I can see through the glass what the price is. That's another thing they have here. The most amazing Ormolu Hollywood Regency perfume bottles and such. $145 on the pair is really good. That is such a great poodle. $48 on him. He looks Italian. Yeah, I thought so. And the little children's slag tea set. Behind me, they have an amazing array of vintage fabrics. But look at this display. Look at how great that is. And look at the stiff hedgehogs. Love the larger size. Oh, all right, now these are amazing too. These Ormolu filigree perfume bottles. Looks like $68 for the pair, and then you get 10%. I think I'm gonna go ahead and raid this case and look more in detail at some of the jewelry. Now there's the little Fenton rooster. That's pretty great. That's at $40, but it's that antique piece behind it that I'm obsessed with. And of course, the mermaids, they're priced individually. That one's $90. Those ones are $225 for the pair. No, each. No, together. Yeah, that's an amazing deal for a collector. Not much room for me. And I love the little devil bisque Santa. Really neat German pipe with the horse. And then that piece is gorgeous too. That one's at $95, the Murano. Some really great bangles. Looks like they're all kind of where they need to be. Oh wait, oh no, peanuts. Oh, I got really excited. It's just the peanuts items. Just kidding. I was about to clean this case out. Is that a Betty Boop tin litho? That's fantastic. $20 seems actually pretty cheap. I've already committed. I'm gonna go through all this jewelry. It's a lot, but I have a feeling it will be worth it. Well, that didn't take as long as I thought it would, and surprisingly, a lot of it was earrings, which aren't really my jam, so I'm gonna keep going here. Some amazingly epic Bakelite pieces here. Look at that. Oh gosh, such a great color, that like chartreuse. Great bangles. I got a really amazing Bakelite lighter out of here, actually. It's this piece that I love so much. It's like a perfume set. It's kind of close to where it needs to be, though. I see an amazing Bakelite cameo hiding in there. Oh, but I see something I like for myself. Hold on. That hand-painted cameo is amazing. Wow, the detail in that is everything, and I love the tiara. This is so sweet. Look at this little filigree set. 76. That's so cute. I love it with the tray. Nice ormolu box. All right, here we go. I love this fender. It's the same one I cleaned out at 272. This is a pretty one, 24. Gosh, that's amazing. Love the work in that. What are these? Huh. Pair of ruby curtain tiebacks. Oh, those are cool. Oh, I have this one, except it's a girl sticking out of the lettuce. It's my favorite. And what would an antique mall visit be complete without the teeth? $40 on those. I used to have a huge drawer of them. I got them at an auction for nothing. I think I finally just started running out. Got it like years ago. So fun. It's definitely a niche thing. I like the celluloid knight. Is it a scuba diver or a knight? Paratrooper. How great is he? It's amazing condition for the age on it. Some fun plastics. I love the little lenticular souvenir children's rings. I guess they're not lenticular. This one, it looks like it wants to be, but it's not. Oh, Cracker Jack stuff. Yeah, they always have such weird stuff. How neat. World War II German relief donation tinny. How weird. I love that with the little ladybug on it. Oh, I see something epic in here. I think they know it too because it's locked away. Yeah, the celluloid Santa Claus Humpty Dumpty doll. He's at 100. That's about what they go for. That's in really good condition. Usually they're so cracked. I see a little cracking in the face, but man, it's hard to find those these days. This is another Nook I really appreciate. Oh, Bakelite spoons and forks, $10. Those are fun with the Art Deco design. This is really pretty. The pink opalescent. I like this one with the handles. It's got attitude. And then here, a really pretty opalescent tie back. The Wise Owl salt and pepper shakers. It's actually this that caught my eye in the window. Let's see. Tall blue art glass vase, $28. It's not as magnificent as I thought it was going to be. When I saw it, the light was hitting it just right. A pretty great dog head planter. Let's see, 21. It's probably about what I get out of that after fees. He's got a great expression. Dude, is this a foot ashtray? How weird. That's got some age to it. That's really neat. I'm like really into that. And I love the lady one too. She looks like, gosh, that's so heavy. Why is that so heavy? It's different. I was not expecting it to weigh that much. Little cat bowl. That's so cute. No, it's a lamb cat. Just kidding. This is probably my favorite though. It's definitely at the top of where it needs to be. But look at that pink cast metal ring holder. That is fantastic. They're all great, but the pink cat is where it's at. Well, that's a nice smoothie. $4.25. Yeah, I'm not surprised. But that is gorgeous. That's got a really great mouth on it. The color is amazing. Sometimes I get really lucky in this booth. It's one of my favorite vendors, honestly. Look at this. I think I bought like an amazing oil painting for myself from them. Oh my gosh. So fantastic. I love the big bear. Oh my gosh. Look at these guys. How freaking perfect are they? Look at this weird one. Wow. I've got some really special ones in here. I mean, all their stuff's special, to be honest. Look at the pink rabbit. Oh my gosh, the eyes on this are so great. Look at the expression on this one. So fantastic. If that's not lovable, I don't know what is. Nice yellow end of day vase. Hard to get excited about that after those bears, honestly. Well, this is the other booth by the vendor I like. Oh my gosh, look at the little ship salt and pepper shakers. That's so great. And I love the graphic on this. Honestly, I'm just ready to go back and look at the bears again. The bears are definitely my favorite thing I've seen today so far. Ooh, what's that in there? Looks like a little hair barrette. That's a really early one. How cute. In this vase, it looks English, but it's made in Japan. That's really cool. $6 on that. I like the double handle look. I think I'm gonna pick that up. It's just different. I'm not gonna lie, this guy is really speaking to me. I'm trying to move away from the bears. I don't need one. This Japan bowl is gorgeous, though. I don't know why I'm so into that. Maybe it's the contrast. It's really different. I'm also really into this shell. It looks like early. That's so cool. Souvenir of reading. Or reading, I should say. I should know better. 25 on that. Well, as difficult as it was, I did not leave with the bear, but we know where to find them. I think that's it for me today. I'm gonna go see Nancy at Uncle Funky's, and I'll see you guys later.